Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Cal King bed sheets from Kohl's. So I'm not sure what the pattern's gonna look like. I haven't got any information from my wife. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this and then check it out. It is quite heavy, so make sure there's no invoice in here. So here's the SKU number and then the UPC number. And then that's a unit price. Go and then open this up. So this is by Croft and Barrow. Oh, it's heavy. So actually there are two. One is blue, the other one's like a light gray. And both of them are 525 thread counts. 4-piece set includes 1 Cal King flat sheets, 106 inch by 110 inch, and 1 Cal King fitted sheets with the 1 inch wide all around elastic, 72 inch by 84 inch, fits up to 18 inch mattress. And then 2 king pillow, 20 inch by 40 inch. Top and bottom labels for easy placement. So anyway, here's the original price, $119.99. And this is Cal King. Non-iron 18 inch square fit, and then low piling. Let's go and then open this and see. So here are the pillowcases. There's 2. And then these are 2 of the bed sheets. And these are made in India. Here's a care instruction. It's 53% cotton, 47% polyester. Let's go and then check out the other one. Again, this one's retail for $119 and come with that everything's the same as the blue one. There's like a cardboard inside. Let's see. Yep. Like a book or folder. Two of the pillowcases again. Yeah, pretty soft. And this is the one with the elastic band to fit your mattress. Well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.